Eskom must go to energy, and Transnet, they must go to the Department of Transport.
Ikomiti enkulu ye-ANC ithi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi amabhizinisi wombuso kufanele afakwe ngaphasi kweminyango kahulumende eqalene nawo.
No African leader must go and consult in another country unless they fix their own system. Let's start with our own.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eLimpopo uDokotela uPhophi Ramathuba uhlabe ngamagama abukhali abaholi benahakazi yeAfrika abalatshelwa emazweni wangaphandle lokhena abagulako kunokuthi balatshelwe emazweni wabo.
I think they'll be ruthless. I think they'll take their intensity and physicality to a whole new level.
Kuyoba umdlalo obudisi phakathi kwe-England namabhokobhoko. Baba kuhle ukuhlanganisa zindaba kodwa ku SABC 1 ngesiNdebele lochani. Amalunga wekomiti enkulu ye-ANC athethe isiqundo sokubana kufanele ekuhambeni kwesikhathi amabhizinisi wombuso afakwe ngaphasi kweminyango kahulumende eqalene nawo. Indaba le ivele i-ANC nabe ithula imphumela yomhlangano wekomiti enkulu ye-ANC obanjwe amalanga amathathu.
Unobhala zombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula wethula ukubabika indaba namhlanje ekseni imphumela yomhlangano wekomiti enkulu ye-ANC. Umbalula uveze bona njenganje amabhizinisi wombuso afana ne-Eskom, i-Transnet namanye kufanele abekwe ngaphasi kweminyango kahulumende.
Eskom must go to energy, and Transnet, and if SAA was still an entity of state solely, they must go to the Department of Transport. So SOEs and the Department of Public Enterprises, in the long term, as the President said, will diminish.
Malungana nendaba yepihlangana kweGaza ePalestine neIsrael, i-ANC ithi izwelana nePalestine kanti ikhombele ihlangano yenitshaba ezibumbene ukubona ibawe ikhotho etsheje indaba zobulelesi emazweni ngamazwe bona imemezele isenzo se-Israel njengobulelesi obuphula amalungelo obuntu.
In this regard, the NEC adopted a comprehensive solidarity program with the people of Palestine to bring about their right to self-determination and push for a genuine resumption of peace talks towards a lasting and just solution.
Umbalula uthi ngempela veke i-ANC izokumashela ema-ofisini webuzenda be-Israel ePitori ukuzwelana nePalestine.
Abaholi be-Afrika kufanele bathole isizo la emazweni wabo. La magama kasomkhandlu wezempilo eLimpopo uDokotela uPhophi Ramathuba ohlabe ngamagama abukhali abaholi benahakazi yeAfrika abalatshwa emazweni wangaphetsheya nabagulako kunokuthi balatshwe emazweni wabo. uRamathuba bekakhuluma embizweni yezempilo iHealth Iindaba yokthoma yamalanga amathathu. Imbizo le ibanjelwe eMidrand eJohannesburg.
Inithunywa ezivele enarhakazini eAfrika sikhambela imbizo yokthoma yeAfrica Health Iindaba. Kodwa namehlo wakhe namhlanje aphose kusomkhandlu wezempilo eLimpopo uDokotela uPhophi Ramathuba uthi abaholi beAfrika babhalelwa ukuba zimbonelo ezihle ezakhamuzinzi eAfrika.
What we usually do in our legislations and parliament, we pass laws that say when Phophi Ramathuba, the husband and the children are sick, they can be flown to Singapore, Turkey, and get 5-star treatment. Therefore, we don't care about those that we are supposed to be leading.
uRamathuba ugandelela amagama athi abaholi beAfrika abangathembi iminyango yezempilo abayiphetheko banyaza isizo lezempilo elifumaneka eAfrika begodu banyaza nabantu ababavotelako. uRamathuba ukhombela imbizo lebona ishugulule lokho ngaphambi kokuthi isizo lezempilo eAfrika lilimale.
I want this Iindaba at the end come and be unpopular and come up with pronouncement to say no African leader must go and consult in another country unless they fix their own system. Let's start with our own.
uRamathuba beka ingcenye ezinye inthunywa zeAfrika ebezikhuluma ngengomuso lesizo lezempilo eAfrika. iBotswana ithi akuzuza abantu beAfrika ngemali yeAfrika.
Coming to issues of health, they're all exported. We are here now in this Africa Health Iindaba. We can all walk, all Africans only, we can walk into that conference next door and see where our money goes. You will never see a stall of Africans that side.
Nakasonga kuRamathuba uhlaba abasebenzi bezempilo abathi nabasiza abantu abanzima babasize ngaphandle kwehlonipho.
The Europeans are being treated by our own people, and they are very so nice with their passion when they treat them. But when they treat their own people in this country, very, you know, when you look at the complaints that we get, forgetting you are treating your own mother, you will be telling them how smelling they are, forgetting that's how you grew up.
uRamathuba ragele phambili wakhombela abasopolitiki bona balisa ukuqaphela endabeni zempilo. Nakusenjalo imbizo le iyoba mhlahlandlela we-Africa's Health Agenda 2063 ekubingwe ngayo ukuletha izinga eliphezulu kunye nokunakekelwa kwezempilo emazweni wonke we-Afrika ngokusebenzisa ihlelo le-technology elisezingeni eliphezulu.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngesiphakamiso sokubana abaholi be-Afrika kufanele bathole isizo lezempilo emazweni wabo kunokuthi bayokulatshwa emazweni wangaphandle nabagulayo. Nakumbono wakho yalandela mbukeli.
thina into abasenzela zona ngapha kusizo zamarehe bona abantu abagulako bakhambe ukulatshwa ngale ngaphandle ngoba banemali.
Kahle kumele kube impoqo ukuthi izikhulu zikahulumeni ilashelwe emazweni abo futhi zingalashwa kuma private hospitals lashelwe kuyizibhedlela lezi zikahulumeni.
Uma bona bebalekele ezempilo zakuleli kubeni bengabaholi bathi thina njengomphakathi sithembe kanjani ezempilo ngoba yibo esithembele kubona fanele besibonise ukuthi ezempilo zakuleli zihamba phambili.
Angaya umuntu ngaphandle ulashwa kodwa uma ehamba ngemali yakhe engephi ehamba ngemali yabakhokhi bentela.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Kusasa kulindeleke bona kuhlolisiswe bona leliqiniso kangangani iphimbo elagadangiswako ekusolwa bona kuzwakala ummangalo wesibili ubongani intanzi ecaleni lokubulawa kwakwaSomapala we-Orlando Pirates avuma icala. Amagqwetha wabasolwa kulindeleke bona achijile ukuvunyelwa kwalo umgadangiso lo. Lokhu kunjengombana kube nokuliyeka kokulalelwa kwecaleli ngama-irambalwa ngemva kokubana umbuso uchugulule ingqondo uthathe isiqundo sokusebenzisa umgadangiso lo njengobufakazi.
Kube nokuliyeka kokulalela kwecala ngaphakathi kwecala ekuseni namhlanje. Lokhu njengombana umbuso uchugulula ingqondo ngokusetshenziswa komgadangiso ekusola bona kiwo kuzwakala ummangalo wesibili ubongani intanzi avuma icala. Phambilini umbuso uthe angeke usebenzise umgadangiso lo njengobufakazi kodwa wabamba walisa nakuthoma ukulalela kwecala okwenze bona ukuthoma komsebenzi create. Kodwa namagqwetha wasola akuphikisile lokho afuna ukuthiwa ngembuzo kwakamastrata uVivian Gronje bona kujanyiswe. uGronje nguye owagadangisa lokho ekusola ngokuthi kuvuma icala kodwa akhange azise untanzi nabani ekhaya bakhona ngekumbeni leyo bona uyagadangisa. Ngemva kokudosisana kusasa ngokuthi uliqiniso kangangani umgadangiso lo lapha untanzi avuma icala khona uMakaskrata uGronje kulindele kubona ethule ubufakazi. Phambilini waveza ukuthi wagadangisa iphimbo likantanzi avuma icala nge-24 June 2020.
Ikhotho ephakemeko yeTlhagwini eGauteng igodle isahlulelo esibaweni somntwana inkosi uSimakade Zulu kaZwelithini ukususa esihlalweni sobukhosi ngwenyama yamaZulu uMisuzulu kaZwelithini. Umntwana inkosi umbonisi kaBhekuzulu osekela isibawo somntwana inkosi uSimakade ekhotho ephakemeko utshele ikhotho ngokukhulunyelwa ligqwetha lakhe uMenzi Simelane ukuthi ingwenyama ayibelethelwa kodwa ayikhethwa emndenini wesigodlweni kwesiko lamaZulu.
Ngokutsho kukaSongana kaMisuzulu umntwana inkosi umbonisi kaBhekuzulu umngwenyama abelethelwa kodwa umuntu ukhethwa umndeni wesigodlweni ngokwekambiso nangesiko lesizulu. Nabe kakhulunyelwa ligqwetha lakhe ekhotho uthe ingwenyama yakhothama kuGudlu Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu waphambuka ekambisweni yokukhethwa kwenkosi ngefanelo nakakhetha indlovukazi uManfombi Dlamini Zulu njengomuntu ozomlama esikhundleni sakhe.
When the king says in his will, I nominate for a successor, I nominate my wife, Queen Mantombi. Is he not deviating from this right to birth, right to king by birth practice?
Umntwana wenkosi Simakade kaZwelithini nomntwana wenkosi umbonisi kaBhekuzulu bafuna bona umhlangano wabo njengomhla ka14 kuMrhayili ngo2021 lapho umndeni wesigodlweni wakhetha khona uMisuzulu njengekule kufuza ingene esihlalweni sobukhosi bakwaZulu umenyezelwe njengomhlangano wawungasi semthethweni. Bafuna bona nesiqundo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokukhetha uMisuzulu siphaywe. Baveze nokuthi amanye amalunga omndeni wesigodlweni akhanga baveze ngefanelo bona ngokwabo nokulungela kwabo kuba ingcenye yomhlangano kwakhethwa kiwo okhaba umntwana wenkosi ngesikhathi eso uMisuzulu ukuthi abe ingwenyama elandelako esitshaba samaZulu. Ijaji uNorman Davis sazokuqalisisa indaba lengelihlo elibukhali ngaphambi kokuthi akhuphe isahlulelo.
Ukwakhiwa kweThabo Mbeki African Presidential Library eJohannesburg kulindeleke bona kuthome ngoNtaka umnyaka ozako. Umsebenzi lo bekufanele uthome ngo2021. Ngale kokwakhiwa kwelibrary le isakheko sayo siyokuba nemakhiwo ebunane ethungelelanako. Iziko lencwadeli lokumumatha nepahla eligugu enelwazi leAfrika.
La kulapha iziko lencwadi Thabo Mbeki lokwakhiwa khona. Thabo Mbeki Foundation team mkhulu umsebenzi esele wenziwe malungana namahlelo okwakha.
Currently, we're in the process of building the mock-up, and the mock-up really is intended to test the feasibility of the structure. The structure is the first of its kind in Africa, made of rammed earth.
Indlu le iyingcenye yamahlelo makhiwo ozokuqaleka ngayo begodwa ihlathulula nokuqhakatheka kwawo.
It wasn't just about President Mbeki. So we've obviously got the archives of President Mbeki in here, Mrs. Mbeki. But we're intentional about ensuring that we bring in other archives of political leaders, business leaders, and cultural leaders as well.
This house is not going to be demolished. We intend using it for the former heads of states, for the diplomats, and other influential people to be able to come here, write their memoirs, interact with younger people, interact with the current generations.
Sekusungulwe nejima lentina ukwenzela bona abantu bazibandakanye ngokunikela ngentina.
Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 nawuqeda ukungena siyakwamukela. Khumbula bona indaba ezinazikuphundileyo ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-Facebook. Asirage nazo. Izakhamuzi zenkomazi eMpumalanga zimatshele emkhawulweni welibombo ziphekelela incwadi yenililo. Izakhamuzi zilila ngokukhuphuka kwezinga lobulelesi endaweni le okufaka hlangana ukuthumba, ukubulala nokudlelezela. Ngale kwalokho zithi batsho izakhamuzi zeMozambique ezinganancwadi zokuba selizweni eli ngizo ezenza ubulelesi. Ngemva kwalokho zibalekele elizweni lekhapho.
Izakhamuzi zenkomazi zithi kwanele kwanjesi kanti zimatshele emkhawulweni welibombo ziphekelela incwadi yenililo. Zithi zingalobulelesi likhuphukile endaweni le kanti zisola izakhamuzi zeMozambique ezihlala elizweni elingongemthetho. Ngale kwalokho zisola imphathi amandla zemkhawulweni ngobukhohlakali nobukhwabanisi. Abaholi bomphakathi bathi inkolo izikhukuthiswa zisiwe eMozambique iqobe lilanga. Bathi nezehlakalo zokuthumba ziyanda nazo. Ngenyanga ephelele kokuthunjwa amaSewula Afrika amathathu kanti kunezwa ngobatsho ukuthi athunjwe izakhamuzi zeMozambique. Izakhamuzi zeSewula Afrika ekhabe usithunjiwe zitshatshulule ngemva kokubetshwa amalanga amahlanu. Izakhamuzi zifuna iqiniswe zokuphepha.
The borderline that is adjacent to this border is fenceless. We want a reconstruction of a strong fence. There is no light, it's dark, criminals do as they want. There is the issue of corruption here.
Imphathimandla zemkhawuleni ziyamukela incwadi yenililo kanti zithembise ukuyidlulisela imphathimandleni ezifaneleko.
We'll go through it. We will also invite them and give them clarity with other issues which they have to understand, especially with the issue of erecting the fence.
Izakhamuzi zinikela imphathimandla zemkhawuleni amalanga 30 bona ziphendule.
Izakhamuzi zeSkororo eLimpopo zithi impilo yabo isengozini ngombana ibhlorho ekwathi walikaphephi bona abantu bangalisebenzisa eminyakeni ebunane edlulileko alikabi ukulungiswa. Ibhlorho elihlanganisa indawo embili begodu abantu balisebenzisa ukuya endaweni eziningi balahlangana neklinika kuye nenthabathabeni zentolo. Umnyango wezemisebenzi yomphakathi uthi kunesiqhema sabo engineer osihlamileko esizokuza namahlelo okulungisa ibhlorho eli.
Yindawo eseqadi begodu ibhotwe emthlago ngokuya ngizakhamuzi zeBismarck ibhlorho eli lathoma ukusasamba ngo2015 bathi inthembiso zokulungisa akhange sifeze. Enyangeni endathu ezidlulileko ibhlorho eli lathoma ukuborokela. Izakhamuzi zaluka amano kodwa nakaphephi khulukhulu lakunizulu.
Hospitals are at that side of river, so it's a long dry. That road, other road is long dry. This one is short to reach Matlagun Mall, other villages.
Abaholi bomphakathi bathi inithembiso zokulungisa ibhlorhweli ezenziwe emhlanganweni emikhulu ebanjwe amahlandla ambalwa eminyakeni edlulileko solo azakafezwa bekube kunje.
The mayor said the budget is out, but to this day, nothing has come out of that promise.
We got 8 years. This bridge was based on disaster, which means this road is closed. Nothing happened. In 2019, we did meet with the mayor, was a lady in 2019. She told us the budget is going to come in 2020. But in 2020, we never received anything for this bridge.
Umnyango wezemisebenzi yomphakathi eLimpopo uthi uphakamisa ukuthi kuhlolwe izinga lomonakalo webhlorhweli.
The MEC Menkakareng Rakhwale immediately instructed the management of RAL as well as the Department of Public Works, Roads and Infrastructure for them to dispatch a team of engineers with a view of conducting an assessment on the state of the road as well as the bridge in that particular locality.
Akukhanyi kuhle bona kuzokuphela nini ukuhlolwa kwebhlorhweli emnyango wezemisebenzi yomphakathi nokuthi ibhlorhwe eliphephileko lizokwakhiwa nini.
Hlangano yepolitiki African Independent People's Organization begininga iminyaka emibili yasungulwa. Umnyanya wokugidingwa kweminyaka emibili wehlangano le bewubanjelwe eSheldon kwaNdebele. I-IPO ilila ngokungathuthukiswa kwendawo ezisemakhaya khulukhulu esingini senkangala.
Bekuphumene sinedolo eminyanyeni okugidinga iminyaka emibili i-IPO yasungulwa. Ilanga belishisa likhupha unomntakana ngemgodini kodwa abantu baphumelele ukufika. Waphumelela nabavumi abahlukeneko amakhosi nawo akhambele umnyanya lo. Umholi we-IPO Hotnot Masemula uthi bathapsile ukubona abantu abanengangaka. Wathi kuyatsho bona abantu bafuna inthembiso ezokufezeka. uMasemula uthi ayibonakali ituthuko endaweni ezisemakhaya khulukhulu esingeni sekangala.
I-province enye nenye idevelopa la kune ama-ofisi we-government. So ama-ofisi wethu ase-Nelspruit kungakho-ke kwaNdebele ingakathuthuki itoti namhlanje mari yokuqala i-Nelspruit lokuthi ithuthuke kangangani. Then inokuletha i-government eMetlelibek iba central ikutshela ukuthi nendawo zangapha zakuthuthuka nezangapha zakuthuthuka hayi ikhona ye-Nelspruit.
Umqozululo wezepolitiki uSoli Masilela uthi i-IPO izokusebenza kuhle emakhethweni ezako ngombana ifuna ukulungisa imchaphenzi wayihlangane busako.
Na ungalemuki ukuthi sekunomntwana omutsha ofikileke etatawini lezombangana inhlangano ezinye zemide zimtsheje lenkulumo esizidlalela zikutshela ukuthi ikwazile ukuthi ihlaziye amaphutha enziwe ihlangano ebusako i-ANC yakhamba phezukwawo.
uMasemula uthi kade abantu bekhethu bahlejwa banganabajameli kwanje sebanabo abajameli abayobalalela bona bathini abaphetheko kuhulumende.
Besifuna ukuthi isitshaba sekhethu sibe represented in the national government ukuthi abahala bababhalele ukusihleba nebakhulumako sikwazi ukuthi sibezwe nento emele ivinje sivimbe.
Abantu solo balila ngestimela bathenjiswa sona imloto corridor.
Indaba le imloto corridor ifezeka njengesifiso sabazali bethu. Ngiyokhulu indaba engifisa ukuthi ingathana ingenzeka.
I-IPO ngibona kuyiyo ukuthi izoshintsha yonke into eyenzakala i-corruption yonke into izobuyela esimeni.
I-IPO yongenela ikhetho lemfunda nelelizwe ngomnyaka ozako. Endabeni ze-SABC ngingusitshaba Mahlangu. Ngibika ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Kezemali randa liqinile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. umnqophisi kamakhakhulwararhwe uRassie Erasmus uthi ulindele bona iEngland izibuyiselele emidlalweni wama-semi-final eParis eFrance ngomgqibelo ebusuku. ISouth Africa yabetha iEngland emidlalweni kawafa webhigiri yephasi yango-2019.
England ibona umdlalo wayo namabhokobhoko njengethuba lokulungisa imchapho eyenzeke emidlalweni kawafa webhigiri yephasi yango-2019 lapho yabethwa amabhokobhoko. England yayizindando zokuthumba ibhigiri yephasi ngomnyaka loyo, kodwa kwabhala kwanje izinto zijugulukile. Amabhokobhoko ngiwo athandwa kakhulu bona azokuthumba ngomgqibelo.
It's something that will always hurt when you lose a World Cup. When I was a player and we lost the World Cup against Australia, the next couple of games you play against Australia, you always think of, yes, you guys took it away from us, and I guess England will feel like that. You guys took it away from us and we would like to take it back, and that's the excitement.
Badlala kuma-final wango-2019 bathi banile umdlalo obudisi.
You can see on their face.
Njengombana sesilungiselela ukuhamba nje, asiyezobona uSibusiso Sikhosana uphethe ziphi ngesimbi yesithandathu kuKwekwezi FM. Sibu, kukhamba njani ngapha?
Siyathokoza Thandeka silothisa umbukeli okhona usekhaya njenganje indaba esiziphethe kona namhlanje ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi lapha kuKwekwezi FM. Ngilezi ezithi iphela veke lesibuya kiyo ikomiti enkulu yehlangano ye-ANC bekade inomhlangano kubikwa ukuthi kunenqiqundo ezithethweko lapho sonke ke sizwe ukuthi ngiziphi indaba ekade ezidenjwa kulo mhlangano. Ngale kwalokho ekuthomeni kwenyanga le sakhe sakatsha umbiko kama wesifundeni seLimpopo bekade azitholeko. Ummalo uthi ngesikhathi achinga kubodohotere bamtshela ukuthi uzithwele amawele, kodwana okwamrara kakhulu batsho wathi lokha nakabelethako wabeletha isana linye. Sizokhe ke sitsheje ukuthi indaba yesona namtjana iskena iliqiniso kangangani lokha aboma abazithweleko nabachinga kubodohotere bokuhlola. Lezi nezinye zizokutholakala lapha kuKwekwezi FM kukhanya ba.
Asithokoze Sibu ubujamo bezulu buyalandela ngobusa imathebula ungaphundwa zindaba zesiswati kusasa ukuthula kwande sitshaba sekosi.